Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and this is my recap of the top field videos on the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold just kept on drifting up today, and that's why the trading with the trend is so important to me. The trend is definitely up unless it breaks the structure right here. We are approaching that 61% Fibonacci extension from the daily time frame, which is right around the 25.30 area. Probably going to see some resistance right there. My overall target on this is still around the 25.50, 25.60 area, so I'm definitely still pretty bullish on gold overall. I did kind of think that we were going to get a pretty decent push down to make a 1 2 3 1 2 3 and then possibly like a 1 2 3 4 5 of wave C, so like an ABC pattern, likely like a wave 4, a wave 3, and then eventually back up one more time for a wave 5 is what I think is going to happen. So tomorrow is Friday, but we do have some pretty decent news tomorrow. One thing to look out for is JPY CPI this evening. That's definitely going to be a pretty decent one. We also have retail sales for the Aussie. We got CPI for the Euro. We got GDP for the Canadian. And then this PCE price index should be a pretty decent market mover also for the dollar pairs. The revised consumer sentiment is normally not that big of a deal. The primary consumer sentiment is normally the one that actually moves the market. But we definitely do have some things to look out for over the next 24 hours. So definitely, as always, happy trading. But anyways, definitely don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.